How to redeem SHEIN promo codes. Let's get started. First up, I'm going to show you guys where can you find SHEIN promo code. For that, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in SHEIN promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to any of these websites, as using any of these websites you're gonna get amazing promo code for SHEIN. So I'm gonna open this one, coupon follow. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for SHEIN. Just scroll down and check out the offers. Once you find the offer that you wanna use, click on it. You're gonna get the code for it. Now copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at SHEIN. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you can make your purchase and proceed to checkout. Once you're in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Click on the option of apply coupon, and in the box, you have to paste the code that you have copied and click on apply. With that, the code will be applied and you'll get certain amount as a discount. So this way you can easily redeem SHEIN promo codes. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.